Hey friends, this is me Jamila and you are watching my channel Basic English Grammar. In today's video we will just discuss the simplest term, that is the use of have, has and had. So let's start it. Have is the base and root word and we use these three as a possession and as a helping verb. First of all, we will see how we can use it as a possession. For example, he has a pretty diamond ring. So here it means that he owns something. He has a pretty diamond ring. He owns a diamond ring. Another example is I have loyal friends in my circle. So again it means that somebody is having some good loyal friends in his circle. That is the possession of somebody. Another example is we had a lot of workload in the last week. So friends, यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि हम तीनों words has, have और had को as a possession किसी भी चीज़ की मलकियत के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. There is another use. Has, have, had can also be used as a helping verb. For example, I have done my job. Here you can see the main verb is done and have is just used as a helping verb of the main verb. In another example, he has gone to the library. Again, gone is the main verb and has is just helping the main verb, that is gone. Or they had visited the park in the last year. Visit again is a main verb and had is helping the main verb. Now the question is where we use has and have. We use in the present tense mostly has and have. For example, she has a precious watch, or he has done his work. Or in another example, Aslam has fulfilled his promise. Look in the next image, had. We use had in the past tense. For example, the cats had no breakfast yesterday. Here I have underlined the word yesterday, that is describing that action has done in the past. In another example, they had delicious cupcakes. So that's all about the use of has, have and had. Here is a worksheet. You can revise your concept about the usage of the has, have and had. For example, she dashed 2 slices of cake. Here are 3 options: has, have or had. Which one is correct? Definitely has. Look at the subject. She has 2 slices of cake. Ali dash done nothing to help. Ali dash done nothing to help. The 2 options has or have. Ali is a single person, so we're gonna add Ali has done nothing to help. In the next example, I dashed to go Lahore for checkup last week. I had to go Lahore for checkup last week is the correct option. Now look at the last sentence, that is, do you dash brother? Do you have brother? You have to look at the subject. Do you have brother? So the correct option is have. Here is a chart. You can see I have categorized the 2 types of subjects. On one side has and on the other side have. We use he, she, it and singular with has, and we, you, they, I and plurals have. So if you remember this chart, it will be easier for you to put in the right place. that's all for today. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get every new video, and thumbs up too if you like it.